Here we go. Thank you. Just always remember. What we're going to do is we're starting with the weight on the left. Get cuarachas on the right, on the left. Cuaracha together, hold. Cuaracha together, hold. Now your weight on the left. Now maybe diamond. A field turn over your right shoulder. Forward, side, back, back, side, forward. Okay, next section, Roomba boxes with holds. Here we go. Side together, hold. Side together, quarter, hold. Facing 12 o'clock. Yes? Okay, now we get hip, hip. Hip, hip, hold. Then we get a triple turn over your left shoulder. Triple turn. And start over again with dance. Here we go. 7, 8. Cuaracha together, hold. Cuaracha together, hold. Forward, side, back, and back, side, forward. Here we go. 7, 8. Roomba. 1, 2. Hold. Roomba and then quarter. Okay, now we get the hips. Hip, hip, hold, and triple turn. And you start over again. Here we go. 7, 8. Carucha right. Carucha left. Forward side. Back and back side quarter. Then we get the Roomba boxes. Back, good, front, side together quarter. Last section. Hip, hip, hip. And pull, turn. And you start over again. Here we go. Mambo together, caruccia together, forward and back, side, forward, side together, back, side together, forward, hold, and you get hip, hip, and hip, and 12 o'clock. Okay, now we go to do the dance over the counts. Easy, 7, 8. 1 and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for hold. Last section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Room of boxes. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Hip, hip, hold. There's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You start over in. This dance had no text or restarts. Hope you all will like it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.